Dahi.
We'll add some curd. Okay.
ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ ଛୁଆ ତ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ ଛୁଆ
ବୁଦ୍ଧି ନାହିଁ।
ହଁ ଏମିତି ସବୁ କାଟନ୍ତି କେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗୁଛି
ଦେଖ ଝିଅର ବୁଦ୍ଧି। Curd. Here goes curd. Okay.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଏଇଟା ଚିକେନ୍ ବିରିୟାନୀ ହବ ବିରିୟାନୀଟା ଟିକେ ଦେ ହଁ ହଁ ସେତିକି ହଁ ହଁ ତୁ ତା ଦେହରେ ମାରିଦେ
Sorry. ଏରେ ଏତେ ଗୁଡେ ଏମିତି ଲାଗିଥିଲା ତ so I thought
ଆଜି ସରିଯିବ ଇଏ
ଏଇଠି ଧୋଇଦବା।
ହଉ ଆଣେ ତେଲଟା
Mustard oil.
ମଷ୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଅଏଲ୍
Let me just stir it.
ଜଲ୍ଦି ଆଣିଲ 8ଟା ବାଜିଲାଣି ଆଉ କୋଉଟା ରୋଷେଇ ମୁଁ ଆଜି 9:30ରେ ଯିବି ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା
ନା ମୁଁ ଅଛି କିଛି ହବନି।
ତୁ ଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ଅଫିସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ଟା ଏଇଟା ବା ଶୀତ ଦିନ ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେଇଯାଉଛି
ଏତିକି।
ହଁ ସେତିକି ହାତ ନୁହେଁ ଏଇଟା
And what
ସେଇଟା
else?
ନେଇକା ସେ ଡବାଟା ନେଇକା ବ୍ଲାକ୍
Okay, you want some spices?
ସେପଟ ଖୋଲା ଅଛି
What do you want? Kashmir chili powder?
ହଁ ଟିକେ ପକା
How much?
ହଁ ସେତିକି
Okay.
ଜିରା ପାଉଡର
You want cumin powder?
ଅଳ୍ପ ହଁ ସେତିକି
Okay.
ବେଶୀ ନୁହଁ
Coriander? Okay. What else?
ଚିକେନ୍ ମସଲା
One chicken masala as well. So here goes chicken
ଆଉ
masala.
ଟିକେ ହଁ ହଉ ପକାଇ ଦିଅ
Okay. Okay, it's done. It's
ସେଇଟା
biryani masala. It's the same. Tikha lal. Oh, it's hot and red. How much?
ସେତିକି
Hot. Oh, baby, you're hot. And that's some Indian spices in English. So we're gonna add some spices. We will add some cloves. Rose petals bhi usi ta bhitere. So we have added here some spices into the water. Start from it. So yeah, rice to it, to the water. So be careful when you're adding the rice, because the water is boiling here, so it could be problematic for you.
ଧୂଆଁ ହେଇଗଲା କ୍ୟାମେରା ସେଇ ଧୋଇଟା ଲଗାଉ
So guys, now our chicken is ready and we are going to add rice on it. So yes, Nanny is putting rice in the kadai. It's an Indian dish called biryani, Hyderabadi juicy dum biryani. But we live in Bhubaneswar. We are not a Hyderabadi people, so we are making a little bit Odisha style biryani. Yeah, add all the rice, and here add what we call it mint leaves. and fried onions. Okay, you just have to layer it with again rice on it. Yeah, here goes our green chilies, and yeah, and again put rice on it. This is how you have to layer the rice on this with onion and mint leaves and chicken. Then you have to how can I say it, make a dum biryani.
ଆଜି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଦମ୍ ତ ଦେଇହେବନି ଆମେ ଏତିକି କରିବୁ
ସେଇଟା ଘୋଡ଼େଇ ଦେଲେ ଦମ୍ ହେଇଯିବନି? All the rices are gone. They were
ଏତିକି ହବ ତ
yes. ହବନି? It's looking so tasty. Biryani masala or what? Chicken masala. Oh, we just forgot to add chicken masala on it, so we're okay. Biryani masala to it, so we are adding it right now. So, but guys, you shouldn't forget it. You should add it from the beginning. So yeah. Guys, we are Indians and we love biryani the most. Biryani is our emotion. So today is a biryani day, and we have added the biryani masala. Then again we are putting onions and mint leaves on it. And by the way, mint and coriander are healthy for your green leafy vegetables. Basically are healthy for your skin. So and it has a lot of health benefits as well. So, and our Indian dishes are like that. We put lots of veggies and green leaves to our dishes, so it becomes healthy for us. And now we are done with our process. Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes, then our biryani will be ready. Thank you guys.